This time check is brought to you by Land Bank, serving the nation.
We are Land Bank, and we are here for you. We are Land Bank, helping make your dreams come true. We start with a brave new world, a world for me and for you. Land Bank, serving the nation. Land Bank.
Serving the nation for 60 years, Land Bank is regulated by the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, member PDIC and BancNet.
Sunflower Plus Coffee Mix.
Ako si Lizette, isa akong diabetic patient, kaya medyo maraming bawal. Isa na dito ang kape, pero hindi ang Sunflower Plus Coffee Mix. Kakaiba to dahil ito ay may soya, munggay at santol na maganda sa kalusugan.
Sunflower Plus Coffee Mix. Kape na, gamot pa. Mabibili sa mga butika.
Goodbye to me, Masya. Hello, bright bar blue. Isang labanan yan. Right bar blue.
Pride Bar Blue with powerful stain-away enzymes. Malupit magtanggal ng dumit mancha pero di masakit sa kamay.
Goodbye to me, Masya. Hello, bright bar blue. Isang labanan yan.
As tested ang cotton and polycotton. Sa mancha, malupit. Sa kamay mo, mabait. Pride Bar Blue. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified. World-class quality.
ACS.
Sunflower Vitamin C. Ang alkaline na vitamin C.
Ako si Yvonne, isang estudyante. Laki ang pasasalamat ko sa Santon Vitamin C. Pagbuklat ko pa lang ng module ko dati, inaantok na ako. Sa ngayon, araw-araw na akong ganado at always alert.
Sunflower Vitamin C. Ang alkaline na vitamin C. Mabibili sa pinakamalapit na butika sa inyong lugar.
UNIAPAC, the International Christian Union of Business Executives, brings their 28th World Congress to Manila, Philippines, with a theme of new paradigms for business sustainability that aims to address the need for innovative business practices in a post-pandemic world. The Congress includes a half-day networking session, which is co-presented by the Philippine Export Zone Authority or PEZA and the European Chamber of Commerce of the Philippines, as well as plenary sessions with noted business leaders from companies such as FINMA, Ayala Corporation, Polydex Green Corporation, the Asian Network, Grupo Bimbo, Grupo Marnos, and CBEP Thailand. The 28th UNIAPAC World Congress is happening on October 23 to 26, 2024 at the Marriott Hotel, Newport World Resorts, Pasay City. For tickets and inquiries, please visit www.bcbp.global.com, www.uniapac.org, and visit the BCBP Kapatiran Facebook page.
Hi, this is Jeanette Cordero, 59-year-old, liaison officer in Barangay Camp Aguinaldo. Araw-araw lumalabas ako, kaya always ako exposed sa init at pollution. Napanood ko ang MX3 capsule sa TV at sinumukan ko. Naging hiyang ang MX3 sa akin, kaya tinuloy-tuloy ko na, kasabay ng tamang pagkain at ehersisyo. At sa tulong ang MX3. Ako po si Jeanette Cordero. Sa MX3, dito ako believe!
Mahalagang paalala, ang MX3 capsule ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
MX3 Capsule helps avoid pain discomfort. Iwas-iwas sa sakit.
Boom, papaya. White rose papaya. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Boom, puti ka. In 7 days, oh yeah, 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 yeah. White rose papaya.
New White Rose Papaya. May double whitening ng papaya extracts and vitamin B3. Clinically proven magpaputi in as early as 7 days with regular use.
Boom, puti ka. White rose papaya. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Papaya puti, papaya fast. White Rose Papaya with vitamin B3. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Hi, I'm Dulce, your Asia's power singing diva. From my Dulce Amor days to where I am now mentoring aspiring singers, I feel proud bringing honor to our country. At my age, I make sure I live fit and healthy with proper diet, exercise, and MX3 every day. MX3 is one of my instruments to complete the powerful rhythm and harmony of my musicality.
Mahalagang paalala, ang MX3 capsule ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
MX3. Dito ako believe.
Para di madaling masira ang ngipin ng pamilya, ngayon pa lang,
Unique toothpaste for brushing every after kumain.
dahil ang unique toothpaste may Max Protect formula.
Ngipin ay Max Alaga.
helps stop cavities even before they start, while keeping breath fresh with regular use.
Unique toothpaste for brushing para siguraduhin ngipin ay Max Alaga. Max Protektado pa Unique.
Max Alaga, Max Protektado with unique toothpaste maximum fluoride protection. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing. ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Santon Vitamin C, ang alkaline na vitamin C.
Ako nga pala si Rodolfo Puentes, isang tricycle driver. Mahirap na magkasakit, kaya uminom ako sa Santon Vitamin C. Yun na rin pinapainom ko sa pamilya ko at mga anak ko ang Santon Vitamin C.
Santon Vitamin C, ang alkaline na vitamin C. Bibili sa pinakamalapit na butika sa inyong lugar.
Direct from London and back by popular demand. The Bootleg Beatles is coming back to Manila. Saturday, October 26th at the Theater at Solaire. Featuring the Beatles' biggest hits, Magical Mystery Tour, I Wanna Hold Your Hand, Don't Let Me Down, Hey Jude, and many more. Stunning authenticity and musical brilliance. Come and see why this is the greatest Beatles show in the world. Tickets available at ticketworld.com.ph. Ticket World Outlets, Solaire Box Office. Don't miss the Bootleg Beatles live at the Theater at Solaire. Presented by Concert Republic.
Santon Plus Herbal Capsule.
Ako po si Angelica. May bukol po ako sa tuhod, kaya hirap po talaga ako maglakad. Nag-take ako ng Santon Plus araw-araw at isang buwan lang. Palit ng palit ang bukol ko. Epektibo talaga ang Santon Plus Herbal Capsule.
Santon Plus. Mabibili sa mga butika.
Si Mommy at si Washing Machine believe sa Pride Washing Machine Detergent.
Hello, Washi!
Hello, Mommy!
Laundry day na naman! Ready ka na sa mancha, chocolate, putik, libag?
Kaya yan ang Pride Washing Machine Detergent. May triple stain-away formula. Tanggal ang makapit, madikit, at malupit na dumit mancha. Easy ang labada.
Mula noon hanggang ngayon.
All you need is pride. All you need is pride.
Pride Detergent, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
Makisaya at mapagpala sa ika-46 na anibersaryo ng Jesus is Lord Church Worldwide sa October 12, 3 p.m. Luneta Grandstand. To God be the glory.
Jesus is Lord.
Masigasig, pusong masikap, patuloy na nag-aalab, tanglaw ay di magmamaliw. Sapagkat ang Diyos ay hindi nagbigay sa atin ng espiritu ng kawalan ng lakas, kundi ng pag-ibig ng matatag na pag-iisip. 2 Timothy 1:7. Masigasig, sigasig at tapang, di bibitiw hanggang sa tagumpay. Ikaw ay M-Extraordinary Pinoy, brought to you by MX3 Coffee and Tea.
MX3, tested and proven with alpha, beta, at gamma mangosteen.
DCXL 558. DCXL News, ang himpilan ng RMN.